Good morning, kids. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Hope you all would have received your classwork, textbook, and all everything. Uh, we pray God for the normal condition as much as possible, as soon as possible to happen. Okay. Now, as you all got your classwork and textbook, okay, you all got classwork and textbook, so we will do our book back exercises and classwork activities. Okay, first we are going to see the book back exercises. Okay, we are going to write our book back answers. Take your computer book, write the first lessons book back exercises. Okay, write the first lessons book back exercises. First exercise is rearrange the jumble words. Rearrange the jumble words. What is this jumble word means? Jumble means words are not in the right order. It is in disorder. Okay. Now we have to make it in order in order to make it a meaningful word. Okay. Now we see the first word. It is ICEDEV. What is this? Ice div. Ice div. There's no word called like this. No. So what we should do is bring this DEV alone in front. In front. Bring this DEV in front. Okay. First you write DEV, then you write ICE. Okay, just change the order, that's it. Then it becomes device. Okay, then it becomes device. Device is a meaningful word. Okay, then you see Metcalfe. What is this Metcalfe? There is no word. Okay, there is no word. So what we should do is you should make it in a meaningful word. Arithmetic is the right one. Okay, arithmetic is the right one. Okay, so just change the orders, change the letters and change the orders. Okay, now you see control here. Something control, it is not the in right manner, so you should change the order and make it as a meaningful word, control. Okay, then memory also, see memory. Okay, it is ori mem. Okay, so we should change the order, make it in a meaningful word, memory. Memory. Okay, so first one is device, then arithmetic, then control, then memory. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Now we have to expand the following. What is this expand means? What CPU, MU? We use lots of short code words. Okay, code words, but those are all have long abbreviations. Long abbreviations up there. So we should see that. Okay. First one is CPU. We say CPU, CPU, CPU. What is the CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is the abbreviation for this word CPU. I showed you some black color box kind of a picture, no? That is CPU, but actually that name is Central Processing Unit. Then inside the CPU we saw there were three units: MU, ALU, CU. MU is memory unit, like a brain. We compared this unit with brain, human brain. Okay. Then ALU, arithmetic unit. Arithmetic unit. Okay. Then CU is control unit. Actually ALU is arithmetic logic unit. At least if you could write arithmetic unit will do. Okay. Then CU is control unit. Then fill in the blanks. There will be five options would be given. You have to choose the right option on the right dash. Okay, right word on the right dash. First one, dash works continuously without making mistake. Dash works continuously. Continuously. Who will work continuously? Human or computer? Who will work without mistake continuously? Only computer will work. So you should choose this computer word here. Okay. Then computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer runs on current. Runs on electricity. So it is an electronic machine. Computer has how many parts? Five parts. You have to choose this five here. Okay, five parts. Computer has five parts. CPU is called as brain of the computer. CPU is called as a brain of the computer. Okay, so CPU, the word you should select. Okay, inside CPU there is a memory unit that is actually the called as the brain. But if you see complete device compute part, sorry, complete part, then it is CPU only. Okay, computer stores the information in the memory unit. Computer stores all the input and output informations of what and all questions we ask, what are all the answers computer gives, all everything would be stored here in the memory unit. Okay, so that's all. These five fill-ups are there. Options will be given. You have to select the right option. Read the questions again and again and again. So only that you will be able to understand the logic, understand the meaning of the question. Then relatively you can select the right option, right answer. Okay. Next, answer the question. Answer the question means question answer. Choose the electronic machine from the following. From the following, you should select some electronic machine. Which is an electronic machine? Obviously, from the first slide we are studying computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So, computer is the right answer. Guess the CPU unit from the picture given below. Guess the CPU unit. Which unit is CPU here? Brain. Brain we actually compare. Okay. Then see the policeman. Is he? No. This is the CPU. Okay. CPU. We have to select this CPU. Okay. Next. Identify the arithmetic and logical operation on the picture. Arithmetic and logical operation. Can you see these three pictures? One is A, B, C, D, A and all written. One is picture and there is number. Which is arithmetic means only calculations with a number. So we should select the first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the right answer. Okay, we should select that. Next, this is match. Okay, this is match. You have to select the, you have to draw a line with the right ones. You should match. Memory unit. Okay, memory unit. What is the function of the memory unit? It stores the information, isn't it? It stores all the information. No, whatever you type, whatever questions we ask, whatever information it gives to us, all everything is stored. So it stores information is the right answer. Then arithmetic and logic unit. What is arithmetic and logic unit? Does calculation and logical operation. It does calculation and logical operation. Okay. It means it only gives us the answer. It calculates and gives the answer. Whose control unit? Control unit is a controller of the computer. Controls the working of computer. How the computer should work. In which time. Well, this is sometimes printer will work, sometimes mouse will work, sometimes monitor will work. Which part work on which time? That control has the control unit which is there in the CPU. Okay, it controls the working of computer is the right option. Okay, next, help your friends. Help your friend. You should help your friend. Johnny wants to add five numbers. Which unit helps him to add? Okay, Johnny wants to add five numbers. He has five numbers. It may be like 5 or 8 or 9 or 10, 12, 13, something. He has numbers, any five numbers he has. Okay, he wants to add them. So which unit will help him? Arithmetic unit will help him. Okay, then Sweta wants to store her exam mark. Where do her marks get stored? Okay, Sweta wants to store her exam mark. Whatever in five subjects she scored, those marks she wants to record. So which unit will help? Memory unit will help her. Okay, memory unit will keep all her record in its memory. Okay, then Aarti's computer's mouse is running here and there. Who take care of it? Mouse is running here and there, obviously. it nature is like that. In the screen it will go there and here, but who will control unit will control. Okay, there is a special unit, control unit there in CPU will do this job. Next, Priya needs a device that helps her in typing letters. Okay, Priya needs a device that helps her in typing letters, listening music, calculations, and playing games. Who helps her to work? She wants to do all work somehow. Okay, she wants to do multitasking. Okay, she wants to play games at the same time, she wants to calculate and she wants to listen music also. Okay, so who will help her? Obviously, all job will be done by computer only. So computer only will help her. Okay. Then Rahul says he has a brain in his computer. Guess what it is? Okay. Guess what it is? Obviously, we have seen many a time the brain belongs to CPU memory units. So you can say only CPU. Okay. CPU is the right option, right answer. Okay. Next, now there are some questions like dealing with different units. Now you have to select the right unit. You have to select the right unit. Okay. See here, stores the information. Which unit stores the information? Arithmetic logic unit, computer control unit, memory unit, or CPU. Memory unit only has this ability. It has the ability to memorize all everything. Then subtract two numbers. Not only subtract, any kind of mathematical operation can be done only with ALU, arithmetic logic unit only. Okay. Then I am the brain of the computer. Who says this? I am the brain of the computer. CPU. Okay, CPU. Of course, you can say, why miss? Can't we select memory unit? Can't we select memory unit? Yes, you can save memory unit, but the memory unit is present inside the CPU. On the whole, if you see which is a part of computer, CPU only is a part of computer, not the memory unit. It's just a part in the CPU inside. Okay, inner part of a CPU. So we should select CPU only here. Okay, next, controls the unit of the computer. Who controls control unit? Controls the computer. Okay, so control unit CU is the right answer. Keeps the record of all your birthdays. If you want to have a record of all your classmates' birthdays, then who will help you to record all these? Then the memory unit should only help you. Okay, so memory unit will be the right answer. Next, it's time for doing classwork. Dear kids, listen carefully that we all have got the classwork. Okay, we all have to do our classwork now. In order to do this, first thing you have to wrap your classwork with the brown sheet. Okay, wrap your classwork with the brown sheet, then label it. Label it. Okay, then fill the details in the label. Write your name, write your subject, standard, school. To write school, always write the complete name of the school. Okay, write the complete name. Seventh Day Adventist School. Write the complete name of the school. Okay, kids. Now, after wrapping, after sticking the label and completing the details filling, move on to the first page. Okay, in the first page, what you should write is, write your name, standard, subject, school. Okay, if possible, write in the capital letters, blocked letters. Okay, write your name first, then standard, subject, and school. I always insist kids to write their school name in a full, in a complete name has to be written. Our principal specially insists us to make the children write the school name in a neat manner, complete name has to be written on the classwork or book wherever it is required. Okay, not the SDA form. You should not write like that. Write in the full complete SEVENTH 7th DAY Adventist 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 School SCHOOL. Okay, like this you should write the complete school name. After completing the name standard subject school, okay, after completing the name standard subject school, move on to the next fresh page. Here first you should write the lesson name first. Okay, write the lesson name first, then write the date, then write the dictation words. Okay, our first exercise in the classwork going to be dictation words. Write in a neat and clean handwriting. Leave a line in between. Write with a neat handwriting. Okay, first dictation word is going to be analytical, then the soft copy, then the logical, then the intermediate, then the machine. Okay, these five are going to be your dictation words. These five are going to be your dictation words. Okay, ANALOYTICAL analytical, soft copy SOFTCOP soft copy, logical LOGICAL logical, intermediate INTERMEDIATE intermediate, machine MACHINE machine. So these should be there in the first exercise. While writing itself, say and write, so that without by hearting itself it will go and sit into your mind. Okay kids, now we will move on to the second exercise. Rearrange the jumble words. Roman letter 2 in the classwork is rearrange the jumble words. As I written in the screen, the same way you can write in the classwork. Okay, jumble words. First word is device, next is arithmetic, then control, then memory. Okay, these all four words should be there in your classwork note. Okay kids, give a Roman letter 2, give a heading, rearrange the jumble word, then write all these four into the classwork with a neat handwriting. Leave a line in between. Okay, then the third exercise going to be expand the following. Give a Roman letter 3, expand the following. Write CPU, central processing unit, MU is memory unit, ALU is arithmetic logic unit, but it is okay if you write arithmetic unit, doesn't matter. CU is control unit. All these four unit in the expanded form, it should be there. Repeatedly telling, write in a neat handwriting, clean handwriting. Don't scribble, don't write over and over, don't overwrite. Okay, and leave a line in between. Okay kids, now we will move on to the fourth one is fill in the blanks. Okay, computer works continuously without making mistake is going to be the first one. Then computer is an electronic machine. Computer has 5 parts. CPU is called as the brain of computer. Computer stores information in the memory unit. These 5 we have already seen in the book back exercise completion. The same fill up only I am using here. You can copy it from there also, or you just copy from the screen. Okay, as I written you just copy. Okay, you just copy. Then that's all for the video. Write the classwork in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, leave a line in between. As soon as the school reopens, you should submit your classwork. As